Hey class, sorry I couldn't be there today. I'm gonna do my best to show you how to use a microscope through a video. So, first thing in the microscope, make sure plugged in. And before you even, the on switch is here on the back that you'll flip, but before you even turn it on, I recommend just kind of going over, practice using kind of the knobs here on the side. So this first one that we'll use here towards the front, this moves our slide deck here where we'd set our slide that we would view. So it goes forward and back on the top, but down below, we can also go left to right, okay? So forward, back, left, right, and then our bigger knob here, the biggest part goes up and down like big movements, so it's gonna zoom in, zoom out. It's also gonna provide kind of our focus, and then we have a smaller knob that's kind of fine tuning it. So it's smaller adjustments, smaller movements. So just so you're generally familiar. But what you'll do, you'll grab your slide that you're viewing at, and we're gonna be looking at onion mitosis root tips. It's gonna show an onion plant that is going through different stages of mitosis. We'll go ahead carefully. We want it to lock in here. And we'll go ahead and turn our microscope on the back. And then kind of what I do is easiest is to, you'll see these two little streaks right there on my slide. I like to make sure those are lined up with my light, kind of like the center of the circle. So I'll go ahead and adjust so it's, I know it looks a little off center from this view, but from the view I'm looking at, straight down to be centered. Okay. The next step then is you will be like looking through the microscope, and you want to kind of try to find it in the through the viewfinder. And we always want to start, so this smallest knob here, this red one right here, it's shorter than the others, and it does have numbers on it. So this is our furthest out view. So we always want to adjust. We'll adjust on our side here. We'll want to zoom in, and kind of get it in focus the best we can. We always start zoomed out as far as possible. Once you find it zoomed out, then you can go ahead and flip it. We'll go in a notch. Okay, you might have to do some refocusing here, adjust, zoom in, maybe refocus. Once you find it on this yellow, then you'll go to our furthest level of zoom, which is our blue knob. You'll find it there. Okay, so we're gonna practice doing it with that. We also have this device, which hopefully I'll teach someone in your class how to use. But this is so you can actually attach a phone and have your camera looking through here. You'll take off the eyepiece. This slides in, and unfortunately I can't show you because I'm using my phone to film, but I would put my phone right into the attachment, and then you can actually see it on the phone without looking through the microscope. So hopefully this is helpful, and good luck.